Hey, what's going on today, guys? If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you to Iron Antler Adventures. This evening we're going to fire the old forge up, see if we can't get something made. Alright guys, today we're going to take this old carriage bolt and we're going to try to make a miniature hatchet out of it. First I'm going to grind off one edge here, so I have 3 sides and a flat side. Okay guys, we ground this one side flat. Then when we start forging, we're going to forge it this way to make our hatchet piece. Alright guys, we got our forge going. We're going to take this bolt, stick in here, get it warmed up. Takes a little while to get hot. Once we get it hot, we can keep it pretty warm. Alright guys, we got it warm if I can ever get a hold of it. There we go. Got it good and warm. Don't want to let it cool down too much. Get it warmed back up. Alright guys, we're going to let that cool off, and then we'll grind our shape into it. Alright guys, here's kind of the rough shape of it. I've got a little drawing on there. I'm going to do a little sanding. I'll spare you the trouble. And when I get it sanded down, I'll get back with you and show you the results. Alright guys, here it is after I got it done. My wife's already staked a claim to it. I may end up putting a hole in it, making a necklace out of it or something. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, guys. Till next time, beard out.